Good morning and welcome to day 2 of online learning. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to remind you that this is only on the Google Classroom. When you get in there, it's going to look like a lot of assignments, but it's 2 weeks worth of work. So you're only going to work on one assignment a day. And I'm going to tell you what today's lessons are and what our goals are, objectives for the day. So in science this morning, it's an article on how a scientist examines racial discrimination. And if you do not understand the word discrimination, I would like you to look that up. But our objective is I can talk about discrimination in the science field. And what I would like you to do after reading the article is to respond on the blank page that I've got there. Have you ever seen this happening in your family or anyone you know? Has anyone ever had a problem with getting a job they want, getting an education they want, whatever, because of discrimination? In English today, you are going to learn about poetry. And for those of you who may have Mr. Chesterman next year, he loves poetry, so giving you a heads up. We're going to talk about haiku, which is a Japanese form of poetry. And your objective for today is I can explain how haiku is written and what its main themes are. Do you know what the word theme is? Theme. If you don't understand it, that's another word I'd like you to look up. Maybe you can write down the definition in a notebook so you get to increase your vocabulary. In history or social studies today, we're going to talk about the High Middle Ages. And your objective is that you can talk about it and make a distinction between the early part and the high part. And what does it mean that it's high middle? Seems like two different things that they're saying about one time period. And then for math today, it's going to be fun. There's a game that I put onto the website that you can play. What is this one? This one's about place value. And it's pretty easy, but it's kind of fun. So those are your lessons today. Like I said, I want you to realize that you only have to do one a day. Submit your work back to me. I'll get it graded the day that I get it in so I can make sure I can keep your grades up to date. I hope you're all doing well. I hope your families are all doing well. And I miss you every day. I really do. So, you guys be good. Take care of yourself. If you have any questions about the work, email me, call me. You have all my information, and I'll be happy to help you. Until tomorrow.